So you are velocity of projectile, or you can call this as a stone, velocity of stone with respect to trolley along x-axis should be equal to velocity of stone with respect to ground along x-axis minus velocity of trolley with respect to ground along x-axis. Will I agree this formula? VAB, VA minus VB. And what is velocity of stone with respect to trolley along x-axis? UR cos theta. Velocity of stone with respect to ground along x-axis. We don't know this. Velocity of trolley along x-axis is VT. Substitute all this with sine. Towards right, I'm taking positive. Still voice clarity. Okay, no problem.
Yes, sir, clear, sir.
Yeah. So velocity of stone with respect to. So this will be velocity of stone with respect to ground is equal to Vt plus keep it like this here. Now similarly along y-axis we'll find out velocity of stone with respect to trolley along y-axis equal to velocity of stone with respect to ground along y-axis minus velocity of trolley along y-axis. How trolley is moving? Suppose you are moving on a truck. How truck will move? Along the road. Will it move vertically? Not possible, no? So this will be 0. So that, and this is how much? You are sine theta. So what is USY is equal to? You are sine theta. I think these values are going to help us a lot. Now, we'll determine time of flight. The vertical component will determine time of flight. I'll write down the calculation part. The time of flight is equal to, shall we write 2 USY by G? Will I agree with this symbol? So what is USY, that one? You are sine theta. Time of flight is very important in every problem. Once you get time of flight, we can find out all other things. So let's calculate the range of the stone with respect to ground first. The range of the stone with respect to ground. So range with respect to ground. Voice problem. Can you hear me clearly?
Sir, there's a bit cracking, sir.
Bit crackling sound. We'll wait for some time. Just one. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then I think I can proceed now. I think technology should improve, no? We thought like we are in better position. You look at the things here, so bad. I changed the USB port. A lot of, to be frank, I'll here, so many things. No, left hand I'm using for scrolling up and down. The right hand I'm writing on the pad, and I should look at the screen. My eyes should look at screen, not the pad. I should, so my right hand will be writing on pad. If I look at the pad, what I'm writing on screen, not possible. So I should look at the screen. Left hand should be for scrolling up and down, moving left and right. Right hand is for writing purpose. And anybody, if you just like a mute, unmute, everything, move and this one, no. So I had to move my left hand. I'm a right hand person. Left hand very difficult for make us movement. I'm a right hand person. So these are the many problematic things are there. It's not that easy. Almost voice, all everything we have to control. No. So that's why we are requesting students like often I think because right hand I should keep for the pen. That one. On the left hand, movement is very difficult because I'm a right hand person. Somehow, okay, 2 months, somehow we are managing. Okay, let's come for this. Range with respect to ground. Okay, range with respect to ground. So RG, I'll write it. What is the velocity of the stone with respect to ground along x-axis USX into T? So this should be equal to UR cos theta plus VT time of flight 2UR. So this is 2UR square sine theta cos theta by G. Okay, after some time, wait, trolley will not be here only, no? Trolley will be displaced somewhere here. So let's take the point of projection. Okay, let's come for the point range with respect to ground. This is t equals 0, I projected. T equal to t, this is a position. And this was the point A where I projected. Okay, now range with respect to trolley. Tell me any formula I should use. What is the velocity of horizontal velocity of the ball with respect to trolley? Only UR cos theta only into time of flight. So UR cos theta, time of flight is 2UR sine theta by G. So this is 2UR square sine theta cos theta by G. So range with respect to ground will be how much? RT plus so these are things. What actually going on? What do you mean by range with respect to ground? So finally it will strike some point on a trolley. It will strike some point on a trolley. B. So what was the B? B was here, no? So where do it will come and strike the trolley here? This is the point of striking. Call say some velocity it will strike. Then what is the range with respect to ground? Where I should indicate range with respect to ground? Call this is P. Now what is the range with respect to ground? This is what range with respect to ground. And what is this? This is the range with respect to trolley. I am giving enough information in the diagrams. It will strike at point B on the trolley, that one. Then where that point B will be at the position of P. So therefore you have started, okay, I'll give symbols, P2. This is P2, P1, and this is the P1, no? P1 will be somewhere here. Okay, able to get this? So this will be. So like this, what happens? You can determine the range with respect to trolley means where, at what point, at what horizontal distance on the trolley it will strike. That's the meaning of that.
Sir,
Ah.
sir, small doubt, sir.
Ah.
Sir, in reality, if you assume the particle won't have the velocity by itself, na sir.
I'm projecting it, no? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Then we have to even consider the height, na sir.
Okay, that is another thing, no? I'm just discussing theoretical idea.
Okay, sir.
Huh? Is that okay? No. So the diagrams are very important. What I'm indicating that P1, P2 is what the range with respect to ground. It will not strike on the ground. The point B where the ball where it strikes the trolley, that point B will be at location of P2. So if you are standing on the ground, you feel it has displaced horizontally by distance RG. If you are on the trolley, you feel it got displaced by RT. We will measure this RG person on the ground. Person on ground measures RG. We'll measure we'll measure RT person on the trolley. Are you able to understand? The frame of references are different here. Do make observation. I'll take the next condition.